Today we'll see a fresh topic, that is ranking. Okay, so please give response. Where did you hear this word? Rank.
Sir,
Sir, exams or sir, ranking in like sitting arrangement ranking or like exam ranking or both?
Okay, where you heard this word rank?
Sir, exams.
sir,
In
mainly.
exams or results?
Sir, results.
The results.
Yeah, not in exams, in results, right?
Yes, sir.
For what purpose we use this word rank? For what purpose?
To see who scored the best.
Yeah, okay. Always it will represent only best.
So it can represent the performance of each person with respect to other people.
Yeah, very good. So nothing but comparison, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we use this word rank to represent position, right? To give the position. So generally ranks will be given like this, right? First, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, right? Is it mandatory? Or we can give in this way also. First rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank.
Sir, means they will think we are bottom. What is this?
Yeah, some people will tell like this only. I am first from the last. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in that case, this is also correct. The second arrangement is also correct. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am first from bottom.
Yeah, I am first from last, or I am first from bottom. Yes. And sometimes we can give ranking in this way also. First, second, third, fourth. Or otherwise we can give first, second, third, fourth. In this way also we can give ranking.
Yes.
Nothing but ranking, nothing but arranging some persons in a straight line, right? Yes or no? Arranging some persons in a straight line, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That line can be a vertical line or it can be a horizontal line also. So overall, ranking nothing but a linear arrangement only. Line or linear, both are same. Linear arrangement. Ranking nothing but a linear arrangement. So that line can be a vertical line or it can be a horizontal line also. Okay. Suppose in our first arrangement, suppose if it is A, this is B, and this is person C, and this is person D, and so on. Now tell me what is the position of B? Or what is the position of C?
3.
Sir, third.
Third. Simply third is correct.
No, sir. It's
Tell.
going to be third from the left.
In
Sir,
this
third from the
arrangement,
top.
are there any right left?
Sir, third from the top.
Yeah, it should
Sir,
be
B
third
is
from top.
second, right?
C, suppose C. If I ask C, C is third from top. Compulsory, you have to mention from where. From where we need to mention. Simply, if we say third, it is not enough. Third is from where? Is it from top or is it from bottom or is it from some other person, any other person? So we have to mention the position with respect to which end. Which end means it can be top or bottom, or it can be, if the horizontal is the arrangement, then it can be left hand or right also. So now vertical related with the two words. What are the two words?
Top and bottom.
Top and bottom. Horizontal related with the two words. What are the two words?
Left and
Right.
right.
Left and right. So sometimes he may mention the row. Simply he will mention like row. If it is a row arrangement, in that the words can be, tell me, front or back, front and back, or front and rear. front and back or front and rear, or he may use the words like ahead and behind, ahead and behind, or he may use the words like before and after, before and after. Okay, so if it is a vertical arrangement, top and bottom. If it is a horizontal arrangement, left and right. If it is a row arrangement, it can be front and back, front and rear, ahead, behind, before and after. Okay, this is the terminology. Okay, he will use he may use any word which is there in this list. Examiner
I
can
don't
use any.
exactly understand row, sir. Can you explain row?
If it is a row, suppose you can think like a person stand in a row, stand in a queue line
Sir.
at a ticket counter, like in Tirupati Laddu counter, or in a cinema theater ticket counter is there, na?
Yes, sir.
So counter is here. Persons stand one after other, one behind other, and this will be the end of the row. Okay. So
Sir, is
this
row like horizontal, sorry, vertical?
vertical means this is a separate arrangement. Row, how can we say? If this is the arrangement, if we arrange persons in this way, we can tell it as a horizontal arrangement. Yes or no? If the persons are in this way, we can tell it as vertical arrangement. So if the persons are seated on a table, table is vertical, they will be in a vertical arrangement. Table is horizontal, that will be in a horizontal arrangement. But if it is a row, you think like a counter, a ticket counter.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. And here the words are like front and back, front and rear, ahead, behind. One person ahead of another person, or one person behind of other person. Or before these many persons are there, after this person, these many persons are there. He may use any word. Okay. Right. Next, let us take concept for one arrangement, and we'll extend that to any other. Let us take here. I'm taking horizontal arrangement. 1, 2. Some persons are there in a row. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Suppose all these persons are facing towards north. Suppose all these persons are facing towards north. Now tell me, for a person facing north, this side is right or left?
Sir, right.
Right side. And this side is
Left.
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 So this will be the which end?
Right end.
Right end of the row, and it is the left end of the row.
Left.
Okay. So from where we derive these things? From where? From which topic we have taken these things?
So direct.
Yeah, from the topic of directions. Persons, suppose all the persons are facing towards north. This is the right side and it is the left side. So this is the right end of the row and it is the left end of the row. Just tell me, who is immediate right of A?
Sir, D.
Immediate right of A is
Say D.
D. Second to the left of C.
D, sir.
Third to the right of D.
Sir, F.
F, sir.
F. How many are there between B and C?
Sir, three.
The three.
B.
Three, D. 3.
Okay, okay. Then who is third to the left of F?
So D.
D, sir.
Second to the right of C?
Sorry. F. Sir, B, sir.
F.
Yeah, is it a F or B?
Sir, B. B, no.
So here the question
I
is
think-
second to the right of C.
Yeah.
Yes, answer?
There is nobody there, right?
Yeah, so F and B both are wrong answers. So,
Sir, it won't go roundabout.
sorry?
Sir, will it go roundabout like the first is the previous of last?
Okay, if it is a circular arrangement, so now tell me, in this circle, where are the two ends?
Sir, B and F.
Two ends.
So there is none.
In circle, we cannot find end positions, correct?
Yes, sir.
So there will be no ends in circle. There are ends ends to the horizontal, means a row arrangement. Row arrangement
Okay,
can
sir.
have ends.
So
but-
anything beyond the first or the after the last is
Yeah.
undefined.
Yes, yes. To the left
Okay,
of
sir.
D, there is no person. Undefined is also not correct. We can say directly no person.
Okay, sir.
Okay, to the left, to the right of C, there is first person. Who is the first person?
Sir, F.
Yeah. Who is the second person?
Sir, no one.
Nobody.
No one. So no one. None.
Sir, in these in the navigation, can we use the directions of northwest, southeast?
Sometimes we can we need to use this will be the right end. Right end is also called as east end. Sometimes he will mention like that also. East end.
Okay, sir.
If this is the north, then this can be east end, correct?
Yes, sir.
In that way, left end can be
Sir, west end.
west end. Sometimes. Generally,
sir.
He will use right and left only. He may not use east, south, north, and sorry, all these things like directions. Sometimes he may mix those two topics also. Mixing ranking and directions will give this type of questions.
Sir,
Sir,
I
in
did
this
not-
line, will there be north and south?
No, there is no north and south, but I have mentioned it as consider all these persons are facing towards north. In the beginning, I have considered.
Okay, facing towards, only the facing towards is north, but navigation we can't use north.
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
sir,
sir.
one doubt, sir. Sir, one
Ah,
doubt. You are asking questions now, sir. C2, right? F turtle means B or D?
Sorry,
F turtle, you asked one question, now, sir. F turtle or something question you asked, right?
suppose third to the left of F, then answer.
D.
Yeah, D. Second to the left of F,
Second, E.
E. How many are there between C and F?
CNF. No, none.
No person. Second to the right of F,
Second to right, FE. Yeah, right, none, sir. Right side,
Yeah.
no one.
yeah, no one. Immediate right of F,
No, sir.
no,
No
one.
one.
Yeah, actually, these questions are not belonging to this topic, ranking topic. These questions belonging to seating arrangement. We have seating arrangement topic also. So we'll
Okay.
see these type of questions later. But coming
Okay,
to the ranking concept, tell me what is the position of D from left end?
Sir, 3.
3.
3, sir.
What is the position of D from right end?
Sir, 4.
4.
Plus 4 is how much?
7.
7. Are there 7 members?
Yeah.
Yes.
Count it.
Correct.
Count
Yes,
them.
correct.
There's only 6.
Six,
But we
sir.
are getting 7 here. Why?
Sir, I didn't understand why we added.
Here we added from left end and from right end. We have added to get the total number of persons. Okay.
Sir, is it because we don't count D?
We don't count.
I don't know, sir. I'm guessing.
Actually, there are only 6 members, but we are getting 7. Why? That is my question. Did you got my question? My doubt?
Yes, sir, but I didn't understand the logic.
Sir,
So
can you
here
explain
the point
question
is-
once again, sir?
So can you repeat it once again?
Okay, I'm repeating again. See here. Position of D from left hand is 3rd. Position of D from right hand is 4th. 3 plus 4, if you add, you are getting 7. But there are only 6 members in the row. Why we are getting 7?
Sir,
So because D is counted twice, right?
Yeah, simple. Because we have considered D 2 times, we are getting 1 extra. If you remove that
That's
1, we'll get number of persons in the row, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand.
What is this 3? Position of D from
Right, I mean left,
left, including D or excluding D?
including.
Including D. What is this 4?
From
Position of
left and it's including. I mean from right and it's including.
D included. So 3 plus 4 is 7. In this 7, how many Ds are there?
Oh, okay, understood, sir. They're included 2 times.
We have considered D position twice. That's why we are reducing once to get number of persons in the row.
So can this be used for any position?
Yeah, any position we can use. If we consider C, what is the position of C from left end?
Okay, sir.
5.
C for
What is
left
the
hand
position of C
5,
from right hand is?
2.
Total
Two.
we got 7, but if you do -1, we'll get number of persons in the row.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So using this idea, I'm framing a formula. Number of persons in a row equal to number of
So
persons.
one doubt. So
Yeah, tell me.
if the question asks position of B from left or position of F from right, what can be the answer? Is there any answer?
Position of B from left hand is first position. Okay, from left hand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From left hand, he is the first person. This is the second person. He is the third person. From
Yes,
left.
sir. So would it be 0 if it's B? From left hand?
From left hand is 0. What is the position of B from right hand?
So from right hand, it would be 6.
6 or 7? Yeah, 6
6.
only.
6, sir. Because
Only.
0 is from the left.
Yeah, from, sorry, one second.
Yes, sir.
I have written 0 here. Tell me, what is the position of B from left hand?
Sir, 0. It's the first one.
First one, you are telling again 0 also. Is it 0 or first?
Sir, how can we allot a number? Do we allot it?
We can allot based on the question. So from left hand means count it from left side. If from right hand means count it from right side. From left hand, B's position is first or not?
First. Yeah.
First means 1. Okay. From right
Okay,
hand, what is
1.
B's position?
So from right hand, it's 6.
6. 1 plus 6 is again 7. We are getting
7.
7 means
And then included, so it's 6 again.
so number of persons in a row equal to n. I'm taking position
Okay,
of
sir.
a person. Position of a person from left hand plus position of same
from
person. Yes or no?
Same person from right.
Yeah, same person from right.
-1.
Yeah, -1 will give the answer. So we'll get number of persons in the row.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. I will
Wait. So I'm writing it in short form. Number of persons equal to left position from left hand plus position from right hand -1. Or we can even simpler this one. Number of persons equal to L plus R -1. Okay. If it is a vertical arrangement, then what will be the formula? How will be the formula?
So T
If it is a
plus
vertical
T
arrangement,
minus
then yeah, position from top plus position from
top plus bottom.
bottom -1. If it is a row arrangement, then
So isn't it bottom plus top minus 1? Okay,
both
it's
are same. Both will give the same, right? Yes or no? Bottom plus top
Yes,
-1
understood,
or
understood.
top plus bottom -1. Both will give the same. And if it is a row arrangement, then ahead plus behind -1 or before plus after -1, front plus back -1. Okay, got it? Don't think it as a formula. We told the concept first, and just we have written this formula just for formality. Don't see like a formula. It is just a concept. If we take any one person, one person's position, we can find a number of persons in the row. If you know his right position and his left position. Okay, got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell the answer for this. Suppose in a row, some person A is 30 from left hand and 40 from right hand. How many are there in the row? Tell me.
So
In a
69.
row? Yes, correct. Sorry, tell again.
So 69.
69, correct. So position of A from left hand is 30 and position of same A from right hand is 40. 30 plus 40 -1 will give 69. 69 are there in the row. Suppose if the question is in a row, A is 50 from right end, and 20 from left end. How many are there in the row?
29.
Sir, 69 people.
69.
69 again.
69.
Yeah, correct. Because left position is 20, right position is 50, minus 1 will give number of persons 69.
Yes, sir.
Suppose tell me in a row, A is 30 from left end and B is 40 from right end. Now tell me, how many are there in the row?
69.
Sir, we can't say, sir. Unless you
Sir,
give the
like, are they A and B are close by to each other?
69. Sir, 69.
69?
Yes, sir.
Got this
Sir, we
69?
can't say,
Sir, I'm guessing
Sir,
that
we
A and
cannot
B are
say
the
it
same
exactly, right?
position. Sir, I'm guessing A and B are the same position. So 40 plus 30
Can you
minus 1.
place two persons in one seat?
No, sir, it's not possible.
No,
Sir,
sir.
are A and B like adjacent to each other? If so, then it will be 70, sir. If they are adjacent.
If you use formula again, the number of persons equal to left plus right minus 1, it will be a wrong one. 69 is the wrong answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, because
Because-
it's not the same thing, right?
Yeah, because
Same person.
that formula, what we mentioned, that formula is applicable for only one person at a time.
Yes, sir.
A's left is known. If you know A's right position, we can apply the formula. Or B's right is known. If you know B's right left position, we can apply the formula. So without by taking different persons' positions, we cannot apply that formula. And that formula is applicable for only one person at a time.
Sir, if you give the position between like A and B, or if we give the relation between A and B, then we can
Then
find
we
the
can.
total number of
Then there
people.
is a chance of getting number of persons in the row.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see all these type of questions. Okay. And one more thing here before going to questions. One more thing here is, I'll write it here. Some persons are there in a row: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So some persons are there in a row. Suppose all the persons are facing towards north. For a person facing north, this side is right side and this side will be left side. So this will be the right end of the row and it is the left end of the row. Okay, tell me, what is the position of F from the left end?
1.
So one.
1.
First, yeah, 1. If he shifted here, what will be his position from left end? If he is shifted here, what will be his position from left end?
So two.
Second. So if we shifted here,
Sir, 3.
Third.
third from left end, shifted here,
4.
4.
fourth from left end. So means here the point is, for any particular person, if left hand position is known, if he is moving towards right hand, his position will increase or decrease with respect to left hand?
Sir,
Yes,
increase.
Increase, yes, increase. So once again, I'll repeat the point. See here. For any particular person, left hand position is known. If he is moving towards the right hand, his position will increase. If he moves towards left hand only, then suppose what is the position of A from left hand?
So four.
3.
Fourth. So from left hand, A is fourth, right? If he shifted here, what will be his position?
So third.
From left hand, third.
Third.
So if we shifted here from left hand, second, means for any particular person, left hand position is known. He is moving towards
Second.
left hand only. Towards left hand means his position will
Decrease.
decrease with respect to
Left.
left hand.
Increase with respect to right.
Yeah, increase with respect to right and decrease with respect to left. So nothing. If you know one reference point, towards that reference point, decrease. Away from that reference, increase. Okay. If left hand is the reference, towards left hand, tell me. If left hand is the
Decrease.
reference, towards left hand,
Decrease.
decrease. Away from left hand,
Increase.
increase. If right hand is the reference, towards right hand,
Decrease.
decrease. Away from left hand, sorry, away from right hand,
Increase.
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 Suppose if right hand is the reference, towards left hand,
Increase.
increase. Very good. Away from right hand,
Sir, increase.
increase only, because both are
Because
same.
both are same, right?
That's same.
Ah, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Towards left hand is exactly same as away from right hand, and towards right hand is exactly same as away from
Left hand.
left hand. Okay. So reference is known, towards that reference decrease, away from that reference increase. Simple point.
Yes, sir.
So with these things, we can enter into questions now. Shall we start questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So the only formula in this topic is this one. Remember this and don't consider it like a formula. For any particular person, if you know right position and left position, we can get number of persons. Okay. Yeah, see, in a class of 75, rank of a boy is 24. Then what is his rank from last? Tell the answer.
The 42nd.
Yes, sir. What?
Yeah, here I'll give
42nd.
options. I'll give options. 42 na?
Yes, sir.
40,
Sir, it's 52.
data inadequate. 52. And option F is none of this. But yeah, tell me which option.
It's E, sir. 52.
That's 51st, right?
Okay, 1 second. I'll change the options. 52, 53, 51, data inadequate, and then option none of this. Tell. What is your answer?
Sir, 52.
52. Okay, let us verify whether it is 52 or not. First, we'll see using concept. In a row or in a class of 75 students, rank of a particular boy is how much? 24.
24.
Sir, actually, had he mentioned any position from where it is?
No, sir.
Actually, not mentioned. Because of that, don't say it is data inadequate. Okay, because in a class means always it is from top only. Default is. If as mentioned it is a class, rank will be always from top only. If it is from bottom, particularly he will mention. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So by default, we have to consider it as top only. So 24 is from top. So tell me, how many more children are there? How many more students are there behind that boy? In a class of 75, his position is 24 from top. How many more children are there behind that boy?
51.
So 41, sorry, 51 people are behind him.
Yeah, behind
51.
51 students are there. Next,
So
now
Okay,
if you
sir, we
count
got
from
it,
bottom,
52.
if you count from bottom, after these 51 students, he will be the
52nd. So it'll be
second.
50 seconds.
So
Yes, sir.
52nd from bottom, answer is 52. Correct. And for this small question, we don't need to use the all these information. We don't need to analyze this much. Simply, we can say the
Yes, sir.
answer using that one. Top plus bottom minus 1 equal to number of persons. Yes, sir.
That's so 75 minus 20. Sorry, 75 plus 24 minus 1.
Simple. So
Ah,
top
okay.
position is given like 24. Bottom position we need to find minus 1 equal to number of persons is given as
75.
75. If we solve for B, we'll get the answer. 75
Yes.
minus 24 plus 1. Answer is 52. Correct. We'll move on to another question. Next question.
52.
Next question, see. In a class of 160 students, rank of Naresh and Suresh, ranks of Naresh and Suresh are respectively 29 and 64. How many persons are there between them? How many persons are there between them? Yes, answer.
so 25. Sorry, 35.
25.
Sir, it's 35.
35, sir.
Sir, 35. Hello.
35 only.
Yes.
Okay. 35.
Th-
That's all. Any more options?
30. So 33.
Sir, yeah, sir, it's 33.
Okay.
35.
Okay. And 33,
Sir, in
35,
between them, right?
54. Between them.
Yes, sir.
32. Data inadequate, and option F is none of this. So now these are the options. Yeah, in ranking, options will be like this only. Always in general competitive exams, options will be like this only. Suppose if your option is 22, there will be 21 option and 23 will be there, and 24 also will be there.
Sir,
To
it's
confuse.
34, sir.
Sorry.
It's 34.
Yeah, 34, 33, and I got 3 options till now: 35, 34, 33. Anybody? Any other option? Any more answers?
Sir, it will be 33.
33 only. Okay. Let us analyze this with a small example, and later we'll apply this for any bigger question. Not only for this question, for
Sir,
any.
sir,
Sorry?
my answer is C. So C.
C means 34.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, even me.
Okay. Okay, we'll see. Suppose A is in 4th rank, B is in 9th rank. Suppose if this is the question. So here we can count number of people between them. Yes or no? We can count because these numbers are small numbers. We can count. So here I'm taking 4, B.
4, sir.
This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9, and this is B and it is A. Okay. Now by counting, tell me how many are there between them?
So
4.
4.
4 members are there. Actually, what is the difference between them?
So 5.
5. There'll be a difference
So
minus
5
1.
difference we are getting
Minus
between
one.
persons as
Sir, 4. It'll be
4.
difference minus 1 is the answer.
yeah,
Sorry.
difference minus 1 is the answer. That is the shortcut point here. So tell me what is the difference between these two?
Sir,
So 35.
minus 1.
35 is the difference, right?
Yes, sir.
35
sir.
is the difference means our answer will be then
34. 35 minus 1 is 34.
yes, answer is 34. So for these small numbers, we can count number of people, but 29 and 64, if you finger count or if you count from starting from 30, 31, 32, 33, like that, you will get the answer like 34 only, but it is a waste of time.
Yes.
So
sir.
it is 29 and 64, that is okay. Suppose if the question is like a 229 and some 564, then how many are there between them? If that is the case, then
So you have to use the
yeah, then the best shortcut is difference.
Minus 1.
Okay, so here I'm writing that shortcut point. So when is this condition? When this shortcut is applicable?
When
This
two
shortcut
ranks
is
are
applicable
given,
for only
Difference.
no.
Like
Only when-
number of people in
Between.
between.
So then what was the
Number of
point
people
of
in
giving
between.
160?
Sorry.
So then what was the point of giving the 160 part?
Yeah, there may be some students who may use this information also. Sir, see here it is 160. That is why we are getting 34 as the answer. That is okay. Suppose if it is 200, what is our answer then?
sir, it is still 34.
Yes,
34
sir.
only. 2000, then what is our answer?
Still
Same.
So the question is independent of this information. This is extra additional information. So some people may use that information and they can waste some extra time. For that purpose, I have given this number. Okay. So here the question is number of independent of number of persons, total number of persons. So here the point is this shortcut is applicable only when both the ranks are given from the same end, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Both
Yes.
the persons' positions are given from the same end only, then we can apply this formula. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
apply this shortcut. If both the persons' positions are given from the same end. So here I am writing that point.
Sir, if different end meaning, we have no way. Okay?
Yeah, if different ends between persons, how to find different between persons, we'll see later. Next questions. If both persons positions, are given from same end, then between persons equal to difference of their positions, minus 1. Yeah, difference of their positions minus 1. So I think don't need to do many questions on this. Yes or no? If you want, I will ask one more question here only. Tell me, in a in a queue, A is 30 from front end and B is 90 from back end. Sorry, from front end only, because both the persons' positions should be from the same end. 90 from front end. How many are there between them?
So 59.
That's all. Between A and B, difference minus 1. Difference of their positions is 60. Minus 1, it is 59.
15.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. In a row of 68 persons, positions of Kushi and Vishwa from left end and right end are respectively. So is it from same end or different ends? Both ends.
Sir, different
From
ends.
both ends.
Different ends or both ends. Okay. Here we have to take the respective positions. First one.
So
Here the
from
first
left
one.
hand meaning you
Here
have
the
to take
first
it towards left side.
No. From left end.
Okay, so from left hand we have to go right.
Yeah.
Okay,
From
so-
left end, nothing but
So right hand from right to left.
towards the right end. From left end is same as towards the right. Towards the
So
right.
14 people are in between.
Answer is 14.
Yes, I think so. So like basically what I did was I took the left hand for Vishwa and then I subtracted and minus 1.
Okay. Okay, let me give the options here. Here the options are
Sir, I think it's 15.
So sorry, sir. Yeah. 1 minute, sir. There's a calculation error. 1 minute, sir.
okay. 15, 13, 16.
So 13. Sir, 13.
Okay, none of this.
Sir, it's 15, sir.
So for me, it's 13.
Sir, I think 15, sir.
Okay, 15 and 13. We got two options till now.
Yes, sir.
Any more options? And one more thing here. Sometimes here the question can be asked like this also. In a class of 160 students, ranks of Naresh and Suresh respectively are 29 and 60. How many persons are there between them and including them? Yes, sir.
Add +2.
So then it's
Simply we have to add both the persons.
yes, sir.
Yeah, use the same shortcut, difference minus 1, and then including both the persons means add 2. Otherwise, simply say whatever we are getting, we have that will be the answer.
Okay, sir.
This is not related to this question. This is another concept. Here I forgot to write the answer.
So can you scroll down to the question?
29 is 35, and the answer is 35 minus 1. 34. Okay. Here, this is your question. Okay, see. A is, sorry, Kushi is, tell me, Kushi is
20.
20.
Yeah.
20 from which
20
end?
from left. 20
Left.
from left.
20 from left.
Okay, and then Vishwa is
33 from
from
right.
right.
From right.
33 from right end. Okay. Now answer me.
Yes, sir.
Answer my question. From left end, Kushi is 20th person from left end. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Including Kushi, how many are there to the left of Kushi?
Sir, 20.
20.
So 20.
From right end, Vishwa is 33 person. Including Vishwa, how many are there to the right of Vishwa?
So 30.
30.
33.
33 members are there. So out of 68, 20 and 33 completed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many more are remaining?
Oh, yeah. Sir, 15.
15, sir.
15 members are remaining. Where are those 15 members?
In between.
In between.
Between them, there should be 15 members. Then answer is
15.
15.
Sir, I did it in a different way.
Sorry?
Sir, I did it in a different way using the shortcut you gave in the first.
Yeah. How? Explain.
So like with the position of Kushi, I found the position from the right, which is like,
Kushi's only.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Then
based on
Vishwa
Vishwa's position, you
inside.
found Kushi's. Okay, okay. No need to take Vishwa's information because the total number of persons are given already.
Yes, sir. I'm saying total number of person is 68. So I found the position with a reference to right
Yeah,
side.
then also you should get the answer 15 only.
Yes, sir. I got the same one.
Okay, okay, then. I will explain that method also. See here. Yeah. Kushi's
Sir,
right.
that was like first example, right?
Yes, like first example. We can convert this question into.
So we
like
can
first-
just substitute the values.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can take either Kushi or Vishwa and we can make them on the same side. And
either
that's how it-
Kushi or Vishwa, any one only we have to consider in that case.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can just convert Vishwa's right into left and subtract it. and-
Yeah, either we can find Vishwa's left and then we can use Kushi's left and Vishwa's left, or we can find Kushi's right
Kushi's
and
right.
then we can use both right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am finding Kushi's left hand is known, 20 from left hand. Now I want to find the Kushi's right position also. So Kushi's right position, to find Kushi's right position, total number of persons are 68
68.
minus Kushi's, Kushi's left position is
20.
plus 1. This is Kushi's right
Yeah,
position.
that's right.
So how much it is?
So 49.
49.
Kushi's right is 49.
9.
Okay, this is 49. Okay, 49 from right end. Now see, we came to know. Now we came to know both persons' right position. Vishwa is 33 from right, and Kushi is 49 from right. Because it is from both are from same end, we can use the previous shortcut method. Difference minus 1.
Sir, 16 minus 150.
Yeah, here the difference is
16.
49 minus 33 is 16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 is
15.
50. So we can use either method. Which is better? In this case, I think this is better.
Yes,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can we once do it with the Vishwa's left hand side?
Yeah.
Because I'm getting it as 13 using Vishwa's left.
Okay, we'll see that also. Kushi's left position is 20. And Vishwa's right position is 33
So
from
30.
right. Now I want to know Vishwa's left position. So to get Vishwa's left position, total number of persons are 68 minus this 33 and
Plus
again
1.
plus 1. So why this plus 1? To give his position. To mention his position, we are adding that one. Okay, how much it is? 68 minus 33 is 55.
So 35 plus 1,
35 plus 1 is
36.
36.
36. So now this is also from left only. So consider these two. Difference is 16
Okay, so
minus
yeah.
1 is
Sir, 16 minus 1. Same.
15 again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are three methods. There are three ways, but which is better? You can decide based on the numbers given in the question.
Yes.
And for this question, I suggest this method because simply left position, right position difference minus total number of persons minus that left and right. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Total number of persons minus left position and right position will give between persons. Okay, similar question but different one. Similar question but different one. Answer this. Try to give the answer for this. In a row of 75, Guna from left and Jashwant from right are respectively 43 and 49. From same end or different ends?
So different.
Different ends. Okay.
Different.
Tell the answer for this.
The minus 12.
Minus 4. Number of
12,
can it be
12,
minus
12,
4?
12, 12, 12,
Minus 12 or 12?
12.
Okay. I will give the options then.
Sir, it's,
Tell.
sir, just a second.
Sir,
So
I'm
it's
getting,
4.
Sir, I think it's 15.
15. Okay.
sir, I'm getting 18.
8 or 18?
18, sir.
18. Okay. That's all. Any more options?
Sir, 5. Sorry,
Five.
4.
4. Simply 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anybody with any more options or any more answers?
17, sir.
17 also. Okay. Okay. Options are not over. It is of our choice.
Sir, I think 12 only, sir.
We can take any options. Any number of options. Okay. 43 and 49. 43 and 49. So, okay, 17 and 17 is also there. 15 is also there. Okay, right. Okay, let us do this question in the previous
Sir,
question.
sir, it's not 4, sir. Sorry. I meant 14, sir. Sorry.
Can I take it as 14?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying, sir.
Okay. Let us do this question in all the ways which we have done in the previous question. Can I take like this? See, Guna 43 from left hand, and this is Jashwant 49 from right hand. Can I write this arrangement? Is this arrangement is correct, or anything wrong in this one?
Correct, sir.
Correct only. Correct or wrong? Any
No, sir, it's wrong, sir.
wrong arrangement? Why?
Yes, sir. Because the positions are, if you add the positions, this is more than the number of people that is given.
Yes, very good, very good. See here. So who told correct? See here. Including Guna, how many are there to the left of Guna? 43. Including Jashwant, how many are there to the right of Jashwant? 49. If we add these two, how much we are getting?
92.
92. Sir, actually there are 75 only, but now only we are getting 92. But how many are there between them? How can we get? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the wrong arrangement. Then what is the right arrangement? Out of 75 positions, what is the exactly middle position?
So, it'll be
I think it is 30,
Sir, 37.5.
37,
74.
38 position, right?
So 74 by 2, sir.
70, not 74 by 2,
37, sir.
76 by 2,
Sir, 37.5.
38,
37, right?
37 only.
Yes, sir. Like, if you take 37, then 75 minus 37, we'll get 38. This is 38.
38, 74 by 2. 74 by 2 is how much?
So 37, right?
37 only. So this side 37, this side 37. 37 plus 37, and this is the 38th position, right? I'm asking exactly middle position.
So 1 minute.
Between them, I think 12 all is there. How you got this 38? I'm not understanding.
I'm not telling the answer here. Out of 75, exactly middle position is 38th.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is 38.
If
Sir,
you
38
see
is the
Guna's
next.
position, if you see Guna's position, we are starting from here. 43 means will it overtake, will it exceed 38 or not?
Yes, sir.
So from here, if you count compulsory, it will exceed. So this will be the position of Guna from 43 from left hand only. Even though it is nearer to right hand, but it is this position is from left hand only. Okay. And if you start Guna's Jashwant's position, started from right hand, but it is overtaking, sir. It is exceeding. 49 is exceeding 38. Somewhere it is
Yes,
Jashwant, and his position is 49th from right hand. Even though his position is near to left hand, but position is from right hand only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here this is an overlap case or non-overlap?
So overlap.
Overlap case. In the previous case, there is no overlap, but here there is an overlap. Just tell me, from left hand Guna is 43 means how many are there to the left of Guna?
So 42 people.
42 people.
Including Guna. Including Guna, how many are there to the left of Guna?
43.
43.
Okay, 43. Next, from right hand Jashwant is 49th. Including Jashwant, how many are there to the right of Jashwant?
49. 49.
49.
If we add these two, 43 plus 49 is how much?
92.
92.
Yeah, 43 plus 49 is giving 92 as the answer. 92. But in this 92, actually there are only 75. Why we are getting 92 means there are some persons considered repeatedly. Some
Yes, sir.
persons
So the
considered repeatedly.
16 members in between.
Yeah, these many persons considered repeatedly. This is an overlap case. How many persons are considered repeatedly? 92 minus
Guna and
75.
Jashwant. 92
No, no,
minus
no.
75.
92 minus 75
Okay.
is how much?
So it'll be 17. 12.
17, right?
Yes, sir.
17 members are considered repeatedly. So where the possibility of these 17 members? Where is the possibility of these 17 members? Positions.
Sir,
So the ones in between the overlap.
Yeah,
Like, whichever overlap.
between Jashwant and Guna, and including Jashwant and Guna, excluding.
Sir, including.
Including means, but here the question is how many persons are there between them only? Between them means we don't need to consider those two persons. So
Yes,
if you
sir.
subtract 2, it will be, answer will be
15. 15. Wow.
15
Calculations.
members are there between them, excluding Guna
Sir,
and
calculate.
Jashwant. 15 members are there between them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for this overlap case, I think it is better to find any one's position. Guna's left is known. We can find Guna's right, and we can use both right information. Or Jashwant right is known. We can find Jashwant left, and we can use both left information. That is better, I think, in this case.
Sir, in this case, it is better.
Yeah, in this case, that is better. Which one? Finding both left, both right is better. Same end. Okay, here I am finding Jashwant right is known. Jashwant right is how much? 49 from right. Guna's left is known. Guna's left is how much? 43 from left. Now I want to know Guna's right position. To find Guna's right position, total number of persons are 75 minus
43.
43 plus
1.
1. It is how much?
So
75
it
minus
is
33 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33.
Yes, sir. 33.
33 from right only. Okay. So here we know both persons' positions from right hand only. Both persons' positions are is known from right hand only. We can apply
Yes.
the shortcut, difference minus 1. So 49 and 33 difference is
16.
16 minus 1 is
15.
15 is the answer. Okay, so whichever you feel comfortable, we can use that, or otherwise we can frame a shortcut also. See here, I'm writing the shortcut. Between person shortcut. Between person shortcut. If the positions are given from the same end, then what is the shortcut?
The difference minus 1.
Same end is given, then answer equal to difference minus 1. My pen started irritating me. Difference minus 1. Okay. Next. From different ends or both ends. Both ends is given. This both ends we can categorize into two cases. Which one? Number one is non-overlap.
Second is overlapping.
Yes. Non-overlap. Non-overlap. And second is overlap. Non-overlap, what is the condition? How to find by seeing question, how to decide whether it is overlap or non-overlap? Yes.
So like if the number is exceeding the half,
Which number?
it's overlap. Like the left hand side or right hand side position, if it's exceeding half of
Yes,
the
yes.
total number.
Not half,
it's overlap.
total number, exceed total number. If you add a left position and right position, if you add left position and right position, if this is less than the total number of persons, if this is less than total number of persons, then this is a non-overlap case. Yes or no?
Yes, I was telling that like when you find the half and if the right hand side is or left hand side part is exceeding the half, like in 38 case it was doing.
No, in
That's
that case we cannot say. In that case we cannot say. See here, 60 members are there. A is
yes, sir.
second from left end and B is 40 from right end. Is it overlap or non-overlap?
Sir, I guess it's non-overlap.
Non-overlap only. But according to your point here, it is
Yes,
exceeding the half. That's why it is an overlap.
Yes, understood. Sir.
Yeah. So if you add both the numbers, left position and right position, if you add both the numbers, if it is less than total number of persons, then it is a non-overlap. In case of non-overlap, it is very easy to find the number of persons between. So how to find the number of persons is simply the difference.
Minus.
Difference simply.
Difference
Yes,
minus 1.
No. Difference only.
Sir, only difference.
See this question. This one. Here, if you add 20 and 33, how much total?
So
20
50.
plus 33. 53. This is 53 is less than 68 or not?
Yes, sir.
Less than 68 means overlap or
Sir,
non-overlap?
68 minus 50.
Non-overlap.
Non-overlap means the difference is. So these two
See.
differences
1, 5, 15.
15. That is the answer.
Okay, sir.
So here difference means those two difference. These two difference. This one and this one difference. Is the answer. Next, overlap. How to identify overlap? If we add a left and right, if it is exceeding total number, then it is an overlap case. In this case, tell the answer. So here, if you take the difference, we'll get number of persons between them, but including them or excluding them.
So it's
Including our reference persons or excluding reference persons.
so including reference.
Yeah, now we need to remove those two reference persons.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do the example for this also in the above question only. See here, this one. Add left and right. How much it is? Left is 43 and right is 49. How much it is?
92.
90.
92. 92, is it less than 75 or greater than 75?
Greater than
Greater than 7.
Greater than 75 means overlap or non-overlap?
overlap.
Overlap means we need to take the difference of these two. 92 and 75 difference is
17.
That's
sir.
17.
17 persons are there between them, but including them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Then do minus
Yes,
2
sir.
for this. We'll get number of
That's
persons
15.
between them. Okay, 15 members. So if it is okay for the so using this these methods, shortcut methods, we can use this. Otherwise, you can find both left or both right to find between persons. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can go with that. Shall we continue or shall we
So you can continue.
one more hour?
No, sir.
No, sir. I have exam tomorrow. Sir.
Okay, okay. One more question.
Yes, sir. One more question is okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then in a row, Chinnu is 24th from left and Junno is 32nd from right. And there are 10 persons between them. I think it is better to take this question tomorrow only. If you want, you can give the answers. Because there is much to discuss with this question. Okay,
Okay,
give your
sir.
answer first. Answers. I will also give the options. Give your answers.
Sir, 64. Sir, 64 for me.
Okay, 64. Any more? $63.
Sir, time up. Sir.
We will leave. By taking after taking options, we will leave. And one more option is 56. Any more options? $65. Data inadequate. And option F is none of this. Okay. Here I will. Sorry. Anybody
Sir,
want to say something?
68.
Sorry. 58.
Sir, 68.
68. Okay. G is 68. H is
So like it's a simple equation.
H. Okay, there are many options. That's all. Any more options? Okay, I will tell the answer.
That's all I guess.
I will tell the correct option, and tomorrow you need to tell how that option is correct.
Sir, need to tell in the sense we should give explanation, sir.
You should give explanation in the next class. How
Okay, sir.
we how that option is correct.
Okay, sir.
If nobody tell or even anybody tells also, I will explain all those things in the next class. And in this week, is there any possibility of getting an extra hour compensation for the tomorrow? Sorry, yesterday's class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Saturday.
When?
Sir, not at all free, sir.
Not at
Sir,
all.
Yeah, sir. Going tomorrow. I want to go to school, sir.
Not in the daytime. In the evening after 6 o'clock.
Yes, sir. After 6 o'clock means okay, sir. Anytime.
After 6 only, I'm asking. When you will be free? All of you will be free.
sir, can we have on Thursday or Saturday or
Thursday
Sunday?
or Saturday. Time.
Sir, Saturday would be fine.
Yes, sir. Saturday will be better, sir, because everybody will have holiday on Sunday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saturday time.
Sir, anytime, sir. Like after 4
Sir,
o'clock
after,
anytime.
sir, after 4. it
No,
will-
sir, can we have it at 4 o'clock because I have another class on Saturday, so I cannot miss that class. It's very important.
Saturday, 4 o'clock is not possible for me.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have exams sir, till 3:45.
That is what I'm asking after 6 o'clock. After on or after 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. is okay.
Yes, sir.
Saturday
Yes,
6
sir,
p.m.
it's fine.
Okay. So Saturday 6 p.m. we'll take a compensation class for yesterday's class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If it is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock we have Vedic maths class. No? Rashnika?
We
Sir,
don't
what
have
is-
Vedic class. We don't
Sir,
have
what-
Vedic class, sir.
No,
Sir,
no,
what
no.
is the correct
Back to
option?
question. Okay, here the answer is data inadequate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here the answer is data inadequate, and you have to explain me in the next class, Saturday's class. You have to explain me how it is data inadequate.
Oh,
Sir,
yes, sir.
why did-
Like we need to know if it's
Okay,
overlapping.
okay, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We need to know if it's overlapping or not.